Howdy. There's a place in Brooklyn, New York called Jones Beach. It's quite large. It's a vast shoreline. And in summertime and sunny days, it is wall to wall sunbathers. People just with their towels out sunbathing. One day, a man comes to Jones Beach and he's very odd looking. He's very pale and sort of fragile looking. And he looks around and he tries to find an open patch for his towel. And he walks along and he finds one. And a woman looks up and he says, "Do you mind if I put my towel down here?" And she looks at him and says, "Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Why are you so white? What happened to you?" And he looked at her and said, "Well, I've been in Ossining for 20 years. A solitary confinement. I killed my wife." And she goes, "Oh, oh, so you're single?" Brooklyn. Yeah. Ugh.